How to get Skeleton King Clash Royale. Want to unlock powerful Skeleton King, one of the Clash Royale champions? Follow these steps to get him. You have to reach King level 14. Champions including Skeleton King are only available once you reach King level 14. Play 1 vs 1 battle, upgrade cards and complete challenges to level up faster. Open chest for Skeleton King. After reaching King level 14, you can find Skeleton King in Champion's chest, Royal Wild chest, Magical, Mega Lightning and Legendary chest. Special event rewards. Buy Skeleton King from the shop. You can also get Skeleton King from Champion's wild cards. Use wild cards and trade tokens. You can also get Skeleton Kings from special events. Watch for the limited time events to earn him for free. And that's it. Now you know how to get Skeleton King in Clash Royale. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.